Top 5 nutritional benefits of sesame seeds and 5 recipe ideas. Number 5. Sesame seeds are rich in heart-healthy fats. Sesame seeds are packed with monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, especially omega-6 fatty acids, which help reduce bad LDL cholesterol and increase good HDL cholesterol. These fats are crucial for maintaining heart health, lowering the risk of cardiovascular diseases, and supporting healthy aging. A healthy heart is one of the pillars of longevity. Number 4. Sesame seeds are high in antioxidants and lignans. Sesame seeds contain unique antioxidants, especially sesamin and sesamol, which have been shown to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. These antioxidants help combat free radicals, which are responsible for aging and chronic diseases. A 2012 study published in Journal of Medicinal Food showed that sesamin can help protect the liver and reduce age-related inflammation. Number 3. Sesame seeds are an excellent source of plant-based protein. For a plant food, sesame seeds offer a surprising 5 grams of protein per 30-gram serving. Protein is key for maintaining lean muscle mass, which naturally declines with age. Keeping muscle mass strong helps preserve metabolic rate, support mobility, and maintain a healthy weight, all essential to graceful aging. If you like this video so far, consider liking it and subscribing to our channel. It helps motivate us to continue making videos like this. Number 2. Sesame seeds are loaded with bone-strengthening minerals. Sesame seeds are incredibly rich in calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc, all of which are vital for bone density and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. A daily dose can help keep your bones strong as you age. Just 2 tablespoons of unhulled sesame seeds provide more calcium than a glass of milk. Number 1. Sesame seeds support hormonal balance and detoxification. Thanks to their lignan content, sesame seeds may help regulate estrogen levels, especially helpful during menopause. They also contain fiber and healthy fats that aid liver detoxification. Balanced hormones and detox support improve mood, skin, and metabolic health. Key components of anti-aging. Recommended daily intake is 1 to 2 tablespoons, 15 to 30 grams of sesame seeds. Daily is ideal to enjoy their benefits without excess calories. Here are 5 easy ways to add sesame seeds to your meals. You can make sesame-crusted tofu or chicken by rolling tofu or chicken pieces in sesame seeds before baking or air frying for a crunchy, nutty crust. You can make tahini dressing by blending sesame seeds or use tahini sesame paste with lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil to drizzle over salads. In order to get maximum health benefits of sesame seeds, you can mix them with other seeds like chia seeds and flax seeds. We have made a video of nutritional benefits of flax seeds, and we will add it to the end of this video. You can make stir-fries by toasting sesame seeds lightly and sprinkle over veggie stir-fries or Asian-style dishes. You can also make a sesame smoothie boost by adding 1 tablespoon ground sesame seeds to your morning smoothie for a nutty flavor and mineral boost. You can also make homemade energy bars by mixing sesame seeds with oats, dates, and honey. Press into a tray and chill for healthy snack bars.